Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have this really mint 2017 Volkswagen Golf R. This one has the 6-speed manual and only 27,000 miles. In absolutely beautiful condition. Man. Just overall a really clean example. Pretty much fully loaded. Plenty of room. Nice hatch area. Nice leather bolstered seats. All 4 windows are fully automatic. Really nice. 6-speed manual. Without further ado, let's go ahead, take it out on the road. Pushing just under 300 horsepower, the Mark 7 Golf R is, I think, so far the best Volkswagen Golf ever made. This thing is just so good. Handles really well. There's really not much else that they can improve upon. That's why I am really excited to see what they come up with for Mark 8. And it pulls. Not just good for a Golf, it just is really good for anything out there. This, in my mind, is still the best hot hatch out there. This is right on the border of hot hatch and sports car. I think really if this was, a coupe, it would be an excellent alternative to the 370Z. This is a hot hatch in a business suit with a t-shirt and running shorts underneath. On the outside, it looks nice, refined. Interior is very luxurious. But once you get past that, this thing is a proper sports car. And there is no doubt in my mind saying that. This car is just that good. It does everything you want. I'm definitely excited to try a DSG because I've heard that's even better. But the manual Golf R is definitely absolutely fantastic. Last year I sold my Focus ST. 2018 I bought myself a Focus ST, which I had for a year. And it was a fantastic car. But there's something about Volkswagen and their GTI, GLI, Golf R that is just a bit more special. They're just a lot more refined. This is a better overall daily driver. The seats aren't gonna kill you over the long haul like the Recaros in the ST2 and 3. I had the cloth seats, so it wasn't much of an issue, but still, you know, the Focus interior was getting dated. It just wasn't the overall package I was looking for like this car is. And brand new, these were at 40 grand, and many people thought that it didn't fit in the hot hatch category with, you know, your, well, previous generation WRX, your Civic Si, that kind of crew, which are all starting under 30 grand. But the GTI is in that range. This is something special. This is what the Focus RS was designed for, and the RS only lasted 2 years here in America. There's just something undeniably special about this over the GTI. When I first drove a Golf R, I was like, yeah, it's a GTI with all-wheel drive and maybe a bit more power. But no, everything is just different. The seats are different. Shifter, all the blue accents throughout, the gauges. I mean, you have a hot hatch where the speedometer goes up to 200 miles an hour. Like, what? It's just that amazing. And then when you want to just cruise, put it into 6th gear, put the AC on. If it's nice and cold out, you put the heated seats on, and you just cruise. But once that turbo spools up, there is not much out there that can match the driving pleasure of the Golf R. I get why we can't keep these in inventory now. I get why they sell out and there's a waiting list sometimes for them. They deserve all of the love that these cars have and are getting. They are just that spectacular. That note, I want to say thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.